Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project 3 switch lock. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the slide switch. Then this is slide switch number 1. We will connect it to slide switch number 2 and then we will connect it to slide switch number 3. Now we will connect this third slide switch to the positive of the LED and then its negative to the ground. Now, this LED is supposed to glow only when all 3 switches are turned on. Let's check. See how it's glowing, and it will stop glowing as soon as I turn off any one switch out of all them. For example, this one, or maybe this. Now, this is how it's done.